Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Tech Facts, and I'll be presenting some very interesting tech news. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, as whenever I post a video, you get the notification without fail. So, let's start. The Samsung Galaxy M31s was unveiled with 6.5-inch AMOLED display, quad camera and 6000 mAh of battery. It's going to have 6.5-inch AMOLED Infinity O panel with 25-watt charging and side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Its main camera is going to be of 64MP prime Sony IMX682 shooter along with 12MP wide angle and each of 5MP macro and depth cameras. It's going to have a 32MP selfie camera with either 6 or 8GB RAM with 128GB of storage. It's also going to feature the reverse charging support and is going to have the latest Android 10. The sale will start on 6th of August and the price comes to be like the 6GB variant plus 128 storage GB variant comes nearly close to 20,499 rupees, while the 8GB RAM and 128GB variant comes to 22,499. So are you going to buy this phone? Tell me in the comment section below. OnePlus handset with model number KB2001 spotted on Geekbench, which could be the OnePlus T or the OnePlus T Pro. It is going to have Android 11 with 8GB RAM, but it's not clear if it's going to support a Snapdragon 865 latest processor. Usually the T series devices get launched during the month of October-November. So let's see when this T series gets launched in India. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G price some random leaks. It's going to get launched on August 5 with punch hole camera. It's going to get a special color known as the Mystic Bronze. Outer display screen is going to be of 6.23 inches and the internal will be of 7.7 inches with both AMOLED. The 20Hz of refresh rate. This camera setup with 12 plus 64 plus 12 MPs and the selfie camera will be of 10 MP. The storage maximum capacity will be 512GB with 5340 mAh battery and 15 watt of wireless charging. So what do you think? At what price is the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5G going to get launched? Here's some leak that the upcoming Mi10 Pro may come up with customizable CPU. Mi worked with Qualcomm to optimize graphic control panel found inside the phone, so we will be able to tweak GPU processor. The phone is going to have 120Hz of refresh rate with 108MP main camera, 4500 mAh battery with 120 watts of fast charging. It is going to have Snapdragon 865 and not the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus. So let's see at what price and when this phone is going to get launched globally. Google is in talk with Samsung to replace the Fixby with Google Assistant. So let's see when this change is going to take place. Official renders give us a look about the upcoming Vivo S7. It's going to be a thinnish device with 5G support. It's going to have a dual selfie camera hidden inside the wide notch. That's right, the camera will not pierce the AMOLED panel. It's going to have an OLED screen with fingerprint sensor. So what do you think? At what rate is this Vivo S7 going to get launched? Tell me in the comment section below. Here are some recent photos of the latest Samsung Galaxy Buds which went live. The buds are designed in such a way that it will keep them from falling off your ears. Images give an inside look of the side of the buds and it's going to get available in two colors, Mystic Black and Bronze. So let's see at what price the Samsung Galaxy Buds is going to get launched. Here's some shocking news. Apple sales increase in China Q2 by 225%. Yeah, that's right. Nearly 13 million iPhone sales got sold during this period, resulting in 62% increase yearly. While iPhone 11 series and the iPhone SE 2020 became one of the best sellers of the Apple company. One side, the China company product and companies like Vivo, Oppo, Xiaomi are decreasing while the Apple is increasing in China. So what do you think about this? What's this sudden change of mentality? Just tell me in the comment section below. Xiaomi India today teased the upcoming Mi Trimmer 2, which is going to get launched on 6th of August at 12 noon. So are you interested for this product? Tell me in the comment section below. And the last update of today, the Boat teased today their new speaker Stone Spinx 2.0. So let's see at what rate. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.